Humans are equipped with so many tools that those who have learned to use them properly will be the ones who find success in life. However, the search for the instruction manual for our tools is associated with much suffering. Many turn back at the first barriers and prefer to take the supposedly safe path. Some will find these barriers at a young age, maybe in school, maybe in training, or maybe not until college or work. If you are not able to climb over the barriers in life or don't get back up after the first setback, then your commitment to success is too weak. For many people, distraction also plays a big role. They want success, but take every opportunity to have a drink with friends, go on dates, or watch content on the internet, which is just for entertainment. Your argument for why you fail is then usually, "Hey, I want to live too." If you let yourself be distracted too much by your environment but want success, then I have to tell you hardcore that your commitment is not enough. Don't get me wrong, a healthy social life is necessary for a person. You just need to learn to manage your time better. You may also feel physically weak. That will also weaken your commitment to success. Perhaps your emotions also swing to strong extremes. This will also weaken your commitment to success. Your physical and mental condition plays a big role in your success. The most important thing in your life is to stay alive. You will realize this, especially when your life is in danger. Don't put your life in danger unnecessarily, with too little exercise or poor nutrition. The commitment to stay alive should not diminish, no matter what. When someone we care deeply about dies, it is even more important that we live. If the people around us are all sick, it is even more important that we are healthy so that someone can take care of them. So our commitment to success should not diminish just because some social, psychological, or physiological drama takes place. Whatever happens, our commitment to success should never wane. That's what gets us across so many barriers in life, helps us never give up. So what does success look like? What does it take to achieve it? Well, I know a lot of people around me who always do everything strictly according to a fixed plan. For example, they always eat something for breakfast at the same time. After breakfast, of course, they have a cup of coffee. After coffee, of course, they have to light a cigarette and linger for a short while because they are trying to get a good start to the day. And then they go to work and come home in time for dinner, eat something, rest for an hour or two, and sleep. They might also meet with friends, go to the gym, or do something else before bed. Don't get me wrong, it's perfectly fine to have routines in life, but those who have been very successful whether it's in music, sports, art, business, spiritual process, whatever, these people rarely know when they've eaten, when they've slept, or when they've finished work. The focus of these people is always on getting things done. When you feel pressure to follow your routines, it can prevent you from accomplishing extraordinary things. So, those who are committed to success, with whatever, are people who don't put their priority on comfort. Comfort will come. Currently, it's about making sure your experience grows, and you find guidance for your tools. More guidance means more efficiency. More efficiency means you can get more done in less time with fewer resources. If your lifetime were unlimited, then there would be no need for improved efficiency. However, before you can deal with efficiency, you should be satisfied with effectiveness. Effectiveness helps you achieve your goals. you can compare it with motivation. Efficiency is achieved only when you have done something very often, have identified potentials for improvement, and have been able to implement them successfully. Humans have an unimaginable potential if you manage to create efficiency in all areas of life. The more experience you can gain at a young age, the easier, more efficient your life will be at an older age. You learn a skill of inestimable value. The ability to develop systems to make your life easier and help you get more things done in less time. An earthworm, for example, has very little potential. Its freedom of action is very limited. Its only job is to eat and reproduce. The purpose of its life is to recycle soil and eventually serve as food for other living things. The earthworm is not even aware of how useful it is to the cycle of life. It is only concerned with its few tasks. People, in comparison, are endowed with too many opportunities. Therefore, you should strive to forget, to a healthy extent, the world around you, because the world around us sets standards for us. You should block out these standards if you want to call yourself successful. If your idea of success is doing just a little bit better than your neighbor, then I call that sickness. Healthy success doesn't come from comparison. It comes from your inner satisfaction. If what you are doing right now fulfills you in some way, then you can definitely call it a success. It doesn't matter if you are better or worse than someone else. You shouldn't even ask yourself that question. Another problem is that people have a wrong view of mistakes. Mistakes that were not made are experiences that you are not allowed to make. Of course, you can learn from the mistakes of friends or other people, but your own mistakes are the hardest to forget because you associate them with suffering. Memories associated with strong emotions are hard to erase from your mind. Allow mistakes, and you will notice how quickly you gain experience. The most intelligent people are not automatically the most successful. Risk-taking, allowing mistakes, and active self-reflection are the deciding factors for victory or defeat. Other creatures know exactly what to do with their lives. For humans, there are so many options that it can be paralyzing for some. Look around, try many things, and look for something that fulfills you. Then focus on that task and strive for continuous improvement and efficiency. You don't have to be an expert in every field. In your life, many different people will throw different things at you. Everyone throws things at you. Your parents, your teachers, your neighbors, and the rest of the world throw all kinds of things at you. It is your job to pick up the important things and make something meaningful out of them.